Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through chapter 2 longitude and latitude. We will go through the exercise. I will explain you the exercise and the short question answers. There are total 4 question answer in it. What are longitudes and latitudes, or what is prime meridian, or how many types of latitudes are there, important latitudes. So that I will explain you in detail. Okay. And this question answer, the short question answers which I'll give you in the group, you will do it in your SST fair copy, not rough copy. You will do it in your fair copy. Chapter you will write it in the index. Also you will fill the chapter name and lesson chapter 2 longitude and latitude, that you will fill, and the pages how much you will cover, that you will fill afterwards. And then the date I will you will write the date on it, on the date which you are writing the question answers. So short question answers you are going to exercise you have already done in your SST book. You have to not write in the copy book. Exercises you will do in your book only, all the exercises of all the chapters, and question answers, short one, detailed one, that you will do it in your SST copy, as well as the diagram or map work. Okay, so let's get started with the exercises. I'll explain you, and the short question answers. So students, these are the exercises of chapter 2. That is, how many lines of latitude are there. So in option you have 90 and 181. So there are total 181, 90 at one side and 90 at another side. So it is 181. Then who circumnavigated the earth to prove that it is spherical in shape? Who really proved it that the earth is round in shape, spherical? It is Ferdinand Magellan. Then which line of longitude is assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich? So it is prime meridian. Okay, so here it is written. The prime meridian is the standard line of longitude assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich near London. This is the Royal Observatory in Greenwich. Then what is the network? No, which latitude is called the Great Circle? Now which one is called the Great Circle? So it is equator. This one is the Great Circle, the big circle. So it is called the equator. Then what is the network of intersecting line used to find the exact location of a place known as? So it is known as grid. I told you no, that when longitude and latitude they intersect each other, they form a grid, squares. So that is the network, that is called grid. Then in the fill in the blanks, the shape of the earth is like an orange but slightly flattened at the top and at the top and at the bottom. Okay. Then the lines of longitude, this is longitude. Okay, the line of longitude meets at the pole. They meet at the pole here. The lines of longitude, they meet at the poles, North Pole and South Pole, and they are farthest apart at the equator. See here, they are farthest apart from the equator. Near the equator it is big space, and as we move further, then it is little space left. Then dash a parallel equidistant lines at distance of 1 degree towards the north and south. So it is latitude. See here. Yeah, it is of the equidistant line, latitude lines. Then we come to fourth one. Dash is located at 66.5 degrees south from the equator. So it is Antarctic Circle. See here. Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle, it is 66.5 degree south, and Arctic Circle is 66.5 degree also, but it is in north. Then the lines of longitude run from North Pole to South Pole. Then we come to the question answers. Okay, so this question answer which I am explaining you, this you will write it in your SST copy. So the first question is, what are longitudes and latitudes? So we have to write it, what are longitude and what are latitudes. The imaginary line, that is not as such real line, it is imaginary line. The imaginary line running through the North Pole and South Pole are called longitudes, and the imaginary line running east to west and parallel to the equator, like this way. This way it is running, it is longitude, and if this way it is running, it is latitude. Then name some important lines of latitudes. Now which are the important lines of latitudes? It is Arctic circles here. The important lines of latitudes you must have drawn also, na? Arctic circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic circle. See here, that same thing. Arctic circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator also is there. Then Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic circle. These are the important lines of latitudes. Then what is the prime meridian? The prime meridian is the standard line of longitude assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich near London. It is marked 0 degree. So from here only we get the international date line. This is the observatory line. This is, see here, prime meridian, main line. Then we come to the fourth question. How many lines of latitudes are there? Total how many latitudes are there? So there are 181 lines of latitude, 90 lines to the top of the equator and 90 lines to the bottom of the equator and the middle line. So it is 181 lines here. 90 up, 90 down and 1 in the middle. So that is total 181 lines of latitudes. Okay. There are 181 lines of latitude, 90 lines to the top and of the equator and 90 lines to the bottom of the equator. So this you will, these 4 questions today you will write it in your SST copy and show it to me in the group, and nicely you will write it. You will, don't write here social studies like chapter 2, you will write latitudes and longitudes. Then C, answer the following question in short, and then with black pen you will write the question and with blue pen you will write the answers. Okay, thank you.